Hello students, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning Bithika. I am fine Zareen. How are you? Good morning Arushi, Zareen, Sharanya, everyone. Good morning. So, this is your EVS class and now you have to open your EVS book at first, and today we will start the new chapter, My Family. Today we will start your new chapter, My Family, and that is page number 41. I'm fine. Anik Nandi, what happened? মুখটা এরকম কেন? দেখতে পাচ্ছি। So open your EVS book fast and open your page number 41, My Family. So let's start. Here is a small poem, right? Small poem. Good morning, Ahona. And we have to read this with matching with our fingers. You can see at the page number 41 in the corner of the page. Here you can see a picture of a hand, right? Picture of hand, and here some faces also with in our fingers, right? In this picture. So in this poem we have to match with those things, with our family members, with our fingers. We have to match it. Okay, so let's start with the poem and you have to tell with me. Okay, so let's start. This is the father, short and stout. Here you can see in the picture in our hand. Here you can see in the thumb finger. Here, hold up your thumb. So it's mentioned it our father. It's mentioned it that thumb finger is matching with our father, with his father, because here a boy is telling this poem, right? His boy is telling us this poem. So his father is short and stout. So he is compare his father with our thumb finger, okay, this is our thumb finger. Okay, so this is the father, short and stout. Hold up your thumb. So everyone hold up your thumb like that. Hold up your thumb. Very good, very good. So everyone did this. Hold up your thumb. So this is our thumb finger. Okay, remember this. And next, this is the mother with children about. And after you here this finger is little bit different, but they are together, right? Together. So here this is the mother with the children about. Hold up the pointer finger. So see, I am holding my pointer finger. So everyone hold your pointer finger. Very good. So this is our pointer finger, and this boy is compare his mom to this pointer finger. So this is the mother with children about. Hold up the pointer finger. Okay, so everyone, did you tell this poem with me? Antara, can you see me now? Sorry. So this is the pointer finger. Everyone, you have to tell this poem with me. Okay, tell this poem with me and obviously hold your pointer finger. Next, this is the brother. He looks taller than Pa. Here, this is our Pa, right? Our dad. So this is our dad, but this is our brother. Our brother, he looks taller than Pa. You can see this picture in your hand. This finger is short and stout, right? This finger is short, but this finger is long. Here you can compare with the other fingers. These fingers, this is the middle finger and that is taller than other fingers, right? So we call him middle finger, and this boy is compare his brother with this middle finger. So this is our brother. So hold up your middle finger. Everyone, hold up the middle finger. Very good. Next, this is the sister. She looks like Ma. So which one is our mom? Tell me, which finger is our mom? Pointer finger, right? I told you. Listen very carefully. Annarina, listen very carefully. This is the pointer finger, right? That is our mom. And this is the sister. She looks like mom. You can see those two fingers, these pointer fingers and these ring fingers are like similar, right? These two fingers are similar, right? So she is our sister of this boy. So she is compared with sister with this ring finger. So hold up the ring finger. This is the ring finger. In this finger we wear ring, right? So that is we call the ring finger. So hold up the ring finger. So everyone, hold it. Did you hold it? Annarina, hold up your ring finger. Which one is ring finger? I can see. Very good. This is the ring finger. And I am the baby. I too will grow. You all are the baby, right? And at your home you are the very small, right? So you are compared with this little finger, as this finger is smaller than other, right? You can see this finger is smaller than other finger. So as you are small in your family, at your home, you are every students, you all are compared with this little finger, okay? So I am the baby, I too will grow. This one will grow one day. So you all will grow, right? So you have compared with this little finger. So hold up your little finger. Hold up your little finger, everyone. That's my family, all in row. You can see our fingers. Those fingers are the family, right? Because they live in together in our hand, right? So you can see those fingers are family. See, they live in together. Like that, you all are at your home, you all are family, your parents, your mother, your father, your brother, sister. If you have the grandfather, grandmother, they all are the family. And you live at a home, you live in your house. So that is your family. So you have to tell me that who are in your family. Can you tell me who are living in your family? First you, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, maybe your grandfather and grandmother. So they all are family, right? So at your home, who lives with you? At your home, Who lives with you? Tell me. Write it using your chat box. Tell me. At our family, in your family, who lives with you? How many members do you have? I told you in your offline classes that you have to tell me how many members are there in your family and who are they. Right? I told you. So here we live with our family as you live with your family, as you live with your mother, with your father, with your brother or sister or grandfather or grandmother. Right? Yes, Bithika gave the answer. She lives with grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, sister and Bithika. So, Bithika have the big family, right? So, Bithika, which one is your father in your this finger, in your hand? Very good, Adrij. Adrij told me he lives with his parents and grandmother. He lives with his parents and grandmother. Very good, Bithika. Very good. So, thumb finger we can compare with our father. Very good, Anik. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle and sister. Me, Anik have the big family. Zareen also, Annarina also. So, Ariti lives with her parents only. Aritri and her parents lives in a home. Very good, Sharanya. Very good, Antara. Antara's family has 3 members and they are Antara and Antara's father and mother. So that is the members and in their family. Very good, Avirup. Avirup have 5 members. Grandmother, sister and parents and Avirup. So, here at the page number 41, you already get questions, right? How many members are there in your family and who are they? So, you have to write these answers in your copybook. You know this, right? I told you every time that write those answers in your copybook. Okay? Very good, Ahana, Arushi. So, write it fast at your copybook. How many members are there in your family and who are they? So, here we live with our family, with our parents, with our grandparents or brother or sister. So, parents and children make a family. As you children and you live with your parents and your parents live with their parents. So, they all are our family, right? So, our family lives together in a house. We live in a house, right? And we called it our home, our sweet home, right? So our family lives together in a house and this is our home. Very good, Ahana, Arushi. So did you write it at your copybook? This answer, everyone? Did you complete it? Anik Nandi, did you complete it? Very good, Zareen. We all love our home. So, now you can see in this picture at page number 41, here is a picture. This is the a picture, a girl is parents, and here is a baby, right? A small girl with his parents and a small baby, right? So, very good, Bithika. Very good. So, this is the Minus family. See the book at page number 41. Here you can see at the corner, here is a small girl with her parents, and here is a small baby. So, this name of the small girl is Minu, and that is Minu's family. Okay. So, this is Minu's family. She has a small family. Like many of you, you told me that you live with your parents only. So, that is your small family. So, like you, Minu has her small family. She has a small family, and she lives with mother, father, and a baby brother. She lives with mother, father, and a baby brother. So, her family, Minu's family, there are 4 members. Her parents, like father and mother, and her brother. And he is baby now. Such a family is called a nuclear family. Like this family, we called him nuclear family. If you live with your parents only, or with your parents and brother or sister, that is you called a nuclear family. Okay. So, this family is small. So, which family is small, we called it nuclear family. Okay. So, if I ask you what is nuclear family, what will be the answer? If I ask you what is nuclear family, so tell me now what will be the answer of nuclear family? Tell me fast. Very good, Sharanya. Small family we call the nuclear family. Small family with parents and a brother or mother, that is we call the nuclear family. See the board, here I am drawing a diagram. Here is this me, right? This is me or you, and I have here father, mother, brother or sister, anyone. So, this is a tree. This is a tree, right? It's look like a tree, like that is the tree, and there is the branches. So, this we call the nuclear family. This we call the nuclear family, right? So, someone is told me that you lives with your uncle, aunt, grandparents, right? So, that is not a nuclear family. This is not the example of nuclear family, because that is so big, and we call them joint family. Okay. But today we will learn about our family, those members, and nuclear family, right? but you have to do something for today, that you have to draw a family tree. This is looking like a homework. You have to draw a family tree, okay, and you have to show me the next EVS class. But you have to draw first one, that first you have to start with your grandparents, okay, like it. See the board carefully and you have to write things who is lives with you. First you have to write my family as heading, okay, my family as heading, and you have to write here, if you lives with your grandparents, grandfather and grandmother, you have to write first grandfather and grandmother. So that is the tree, main tree, and here we will start a branch, okay. So from grandfather, grandmother, after them there will be father and mother. Father and mother. If you have uncle or aunt, you can write to draw line big, and like this you can this branches you can write your uncle and aunt also, and after it, that is you have to write me, and here you can write your name also, and you have the brother or sister, you have to write it. If you have two, brother and sister both, you can write. If you have one, you can write like that, okay, like only one brother, or you have a sister, you can write sister, but you have both, then you can draw a line again and you can draw a branch, okay. So this is we call our family tree. We call the family tree. So did you understand it? That is that is a drawing homework, okay. So everyone, you have to try this at your home. You have to draw this at your copy book like that. So see this board. Here we can see the full board, students. If you can't see, disconnect your call and join again. So that I am drawing here a family tree, right? You have to try this at your home. First you have to write my family as heading, and then we will start a tree. A tree will start with grandfather and grandmother, and with whom you live in your home, you have to write only their name also, okay. Okay, so try this at your home and read this chapter, this new chapter, My Family, very attentively, and you have to write this, how many members in your family and who are they, okay. So as this question is at the page number 41. So do this at your home, read this chapter very attentively, and that's all. Have a nice day everyone, and bye.